Okay, this is the unboxing of the Wacom Intuos Pro Small in the Apple shop in Ottawa. Most of these unboxing videos are done very, very slowly and people go through them. It's a nice box with a little handle on it. Welcome pack. Not even a pack, it's a postcard. Send it to your friends. Little handhold. There's the tablet. Tells you what all the buttons are. Touch on and off, show settings, shift, auto scroll, zoom, circle layers, brush size, rotate, control alt, pan scroll, right click, double click, eraser. Active area. It's actually smaller than I thought it was. Here's the tablet, and it's got little doors on it, I believe. Back here. You can see how big it is. For the battery and the wireless card, battery wireless card, which you can stick in there. Got little rubber feet on it. This is the new version, which they were previously. They've renamed all the tablets, so the Bamboos are now also called Intuos, and these ones are called Intuos Pros. Now here is the stylus pen. It's got little rubber things on it, which is quite rubbery, a bit rattly.
What's the weight like?
Feels like a pen. And it's quite, feels like a felt pen, like a Sharpie. What else have we got in here? There is a stylus holder, which is kind of cool. Which you can put the stylus on like that, or like this. And then inside here, various nibs. I'll have to try them out later. But it's quite nice and heavy, that. Stick it on your desk. And then in here is probably instructions, drivers maybe, for you Windows people out there. Oops. Little plastic thing containing rings for your stylus. Driver, privileges program, whatever that is. And then the USB dongle and the wireless transmitter and the battery. That's about it.